Golioth runs great on cellular IoT devices. When we do this, the network stack and DTLS encryption normally lives inside the microcontroller connected to a modem module, not the modem silicon inside that module. Today we're showing the entire Golioth firmware stack on the Modems application processor on a Qualcomm chipset, because there's a Cortex A7 inside that. This reduces the resource consumption on an external micro talking to the modem, and it also makes it easier to add Golioth to any device or any platform. Let's take a look at this in action. This demo by our CTO Dan Mangum shows a Quictel BG95 M3 module on a Raspberry Pi hat with the Golioth SDK loaded into the Cortex A7 on the Qualcomm MDM9200X silicon under that RF shield. The terminal on the lower right is connected to the board over USB. We're waiting for the modem to negotiate a connection with the cellular towers, at which point the firmware can connect to the Golioth backend. The left side of the screen is the Golioth console, where users interact with the devices that are connected to the Golioth cloud. Now that we're connected to the tower, the device starts sending streaming data through Golioth's pipelines, and the data is routed to LightDB Stream, Golioth's internal time series database. You see the counter being updated on both the terminal in the lower right and in the console on the left. For data flowing the other direction, Dan goes to the Remote Procedure Call tab and sends a testing message to the device, which we'll see show up on the terminal in a second here. We'll also see some troubleshooting messages about the connection to the CoAP backend. Since we have data flowing through the Golioth platform, we can track the usage of the data flowing in each direction at the bottom of the Summary tab and see that we have sent approximately 1 kilobyte of data. This demo shows the bidirectional data flow to a modem with Qualcomm silicon with the Golioth SDK running directly on the modem's application processor. For more information, see the associated blog post below.